To change the default character in Unreal Engine 5, we need to hit Ctrl plus space to open the content drawer, go to Content, Third Person, Blueprints, and double-click this third-person character blueprint. Go to the Viewport tab, select Character. On the right side, under Skeletal Mesh Asset, choose a different character. Click Compile. And if I click play, you can see that our default character is changed. This way we can only change the default mannequin that is already in the Unreal Engine. If you want, for example, to change your character with a free Paragon asset from the Unreal Marketplace, feel free to check out a 2-minute tutorial. The link is in the description. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Drop some comments below or subscribe to get notified about a new tutorial every week, and be sure to take it slow, don't worry, and keep learning because the Unreal Engine is awesome. See you in some other video. Bye bye.